2. Forests and wildlife. What is a forest? A forest is that area of land which is covered with bushes, trees, small plants, etc. As they grow by themselves, they are called natural vegetation. There are 5 kinds of forests. They are classified depending on rainfall, temperature, and the soil. The 5 kinds of forests are: 1. Evergreen Forest. These forests remain green throughout the year. They never shed their leaves. They are huge and tall. The sun rays do not pass through them as the leaves are thick. The wood grown here is very hard. The woods grown here are rosewood, mahogany, sandalwood, and bamboo. They are found along the northeastern parts and western Ghats of India. 2. Deciduous Forests. The trees in these forests shed their leaves for sometimes in summer due to scarcity of water.
These deciduous forests are also called as monsoon forests. In these areas, the climate is very hot. These forests are found in the southern plateau and the foothills of Himalayas.
The trees that grow here are teak, sal, shisham, and sahu. The wood of the trees from the forests is good for making furniture. 3. Coniferous Forests. The forests covered with tall cone-shaped trees and needle-shaped trees are called as coniferous trees. These trees grow in colder regions. The wood of these trees is soft and good for building houses and making furniture. These coniferous forests are found on the slopes of Nilgiris and Himalayas. Cheer, deodar, pine, fir, spruce, and oak are the trees that grow here. 4. Thorny Forest. These forests are found in areas where there is no rainfall. In these areas, small thorny trees and bushes grow. They are found in dry parts of Rajasthan, Punjab, central Maharashtra, and East Karnataka. Trees like babool, kekar, thohar, and khair grow here. These thorny trees live long without water or rainfall. 5. Marshy or tidal forests. The land is marshy in the delta of rivers. These forests are found in the deltas of rivers such as Ganga, Mahanadi, and Godavari. The marshy forest in the delta of river Ganga is called Sundarbans due to the growth of sundari trees. Uses of forest. 1. Forests cause rainfall. They prevent floods. 2. Forests give firewood and stop the growth of deserts. 3. They give food to our animals and check soil erosion. 4. They provide shelter for our wildlife and keep the climate cool and pleasant. 5. They give us timber for our buildings and furniture. This is an important project of forests. 6. They protect the environment from pollution by purifying the air. 7. They give us wood pulp for our paper and hardwood for making our railway coaches. 8. Forests attract tourists. Conservation of forests. Forests are a natural wealth and play an important part in the economy. So, conservation of forests is a must. Actually, a country should have 1/3 of its area under forests. But our country is not having 1/3 of land under forests. Now the government and people have understood the importance of forests and are taking steps to protect our forests. 1. Vana Mahotsav is celebrated every year. As a part of the celebration, a number of trees are planted. 2. People are encouraged to plant trees along the roads, canals, and railway lines as a part of the social forestry program. 3. Even children are encouraged to plant a tree and take care of it. This program is a tree for every child.
4. The Chipko movement enlightened the people. In 1974, the villagers of Alaknanda Valley started it. The slogan was, "If you cut one tree, plant at least 3." The villagers clinged to the trunk of the tree of anyone tried to cut it. Wildlife. Wildlife means birds and animals in natural condition. Forests are natural homes for the wildlife. There is a variety of wildlife in the Indian forest. The northeastern forest has elephants, rhinos, tigers, bears, and deer. The Sundarbans of West Bengal are home for Bengal tiger. In the deciduous forest, leopards, tigers, bears, boars, and buffaloes are found. Lions are found in the Gujarat Gir forest. In these forests, we have a wide range of reptiles and birds. All over India, we find the reptiles like snakes, pythons, and cobras. We also find crocodiles and tortoises in the Indian rivers.
Wildlife is a precious gift of nature. Birds and animals keep a balance between human beings and plants.
Our government has put up a number of wildlife sanctuaries. A sanctuary is a place where animals and birds are protected from hunters and are provided with the conditions of natural vegetation to live. Some of them are A. Kaziranga in Assam, B. Gir Forest in Gujarat, C. Jim Corbett Park in Uttarakhand, D. Periyar Sanctuary in Kerala, E. Ghand Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan, F. Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh.
Let's revise the important points. 1. Forests are divided into 5 types in India. 2. Forests help us in many ways. 3. A number of movements are associated with the conservation of forests. 4. Wildlife means birds and animals in natural condition. 5. There are a number of wildlife sanctuaries, wildlife national parks in India.